Hi, good morning students. In the last class we discussed about binary composition or binary operation. Okay, continuous. Let q dash is the set of all irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. What is irrational number? Irrational number which is have neither decimal system or recurring system, that is 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5 is a decimal system. 3 by 10 by 3 is equal to 0.333333 is a recurring system. A number p is said to be a irrational number which is neither decimal system or recurring system, that is pi. Pi is equal to 22 by 7, that is 3.14324 etc. This is not decimal system and not recurring system. This number is called irrational number. So, by definition of binary operation, q dash is a non-empty set and f from q dash cross to q is a binary operation if a circle B belongs to q dash for all a comma b belongs to q dash. For example, circle define addition, that is a plus b belongs to q dash, yes or no? No. Any sum of any two irrational numbers is not a irrational number. So, addition is not a binary operation on q dash. Next, product a into b belongs to q dash or not? No, q dash, not q dash, because product of any two irrational number is an rational number. For example, root 2 comma root 3 belongs to q dash, that implies root 2 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 2 whole square, that implies 2. 2 does not belongs to q dash, 2 is a rational number. So, product is not a binary operation on q dash. Similarly, division is not a binary operation on q dash and subtraction is not a binary operation on q dash, because subtraction of any two irrational numbers is not an irrational number. Next set R, set of all real numbers. R is equal to q union q dash. R contains natural numbers, integers, whole numbers, irrational numbers, rational numbers. So, we check first one, addition. Addition is binary operation on real number system. Endukante sum of any two real numbers is again a real numbers, that is a comma b belongs to R, that implies a plus b belongs to R. For example, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 6 belongs to R. So, addition is a binary operation on R. Next, subtraction. Subtraction is a binary operation on R. For example, 2 comma 3 belongs to R, that implies 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 belongs to R. So, subtraction is binary operation on R. Next, multiplication. Multiplication is a binary operation on R, because for any a comma b belongs to R, that implies a into b belongs to R. This two for every. For example, 1 into 2, 1 comma 2 belongs to R, that implies 1 into 2 belongs to R. For some root 2 into 3, root 2 comma 3 belongs to R, that implies root 2 into 3, 3 root 2 belongs to R. We take any two numbers in R, then product of a comma b also belongs to R. So, product is binary operation on R, that implies multiplication is binary operation on R. Next, division. Division is not a binary composition on R, because 1 comma 0 belongs to R, that implies 1 by 0 is not defined, that is does not belongs to capital R. So, division is not a binary operation on R. We conclude that check, repeat again. Addition. Addition is binary operation or not? Addition is binary operation. Multiplication is binary operation or not? Binary operation, because any product of any two natural numbers is again a natural number. Sum of any two natural numbers is again a natural number. Next, subtraction. Subtraction is not a binary operation on n. Subtraction is not a binary operation on n. For example, 1 comma 2 belongs to n. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 does not belongs to n. So, subtraction is not a binary operation on n. Next, division. Division is not a binary operation on n because any two elements, for example 2 comma 3 belongs to n, that implies 2 by 3 does not belongs to n. So, division is not a binary operation on n. So, n have two binary operations, addition and multiplication. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers is addition is a binary operation on n. Whole numbers means set 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma up to so on. These are set of all whole numbers. Addition is binary operation on n. Any two element, we take any two elements on this set, that's addition is belongs to that set. Next, multiplication. Multiplication is also binary operation on whole numbers. Multiplication is also binary operation on whole numbers. Product multiplication of any two whole numbers is again a whole number. Next, subtraction. Subtraction is not a binary operation on whole numbers because 2 comma 3 belongs to w, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 does not belongs to w, so subtraction is not a binary composition on w. Next, division. Division is also not a binary composition on whole numbers. Any elements divisible, any element 2 comma 3, for example 2 comma 3 belongs to w, 2 by 3 does not belongs to w, so division is not a binary composition on w. Next, set of all integers. Set of all integers is equal to set 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 up to so on. These are set of all integers. Set of all integers. First one, first operation is addition. Addition is binary operation on z. Clearly addition is binary operation on z because any two integers is the sum of any two integers is again an integer. For example 2 comma 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 belongs to z, or 1 comma 2, 1 plus 2 belongs to z. So, addition is binary operation on z. Next, multiplication. Multiplication is also binary operation on z. Product of any two integers is again a integer. Next, subtraction. Subtraction is also binary operation. For example, 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 belongs to z. That implies 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 belongs to z. Z contains negative values and positive values. So, subtraction is binary operation on z. Next, division. Division is not a binary operation on z because any two elements we take 1 comma 2, that implies 1 by 2 does not belongs to z. So, division is not a binary operation on z. Next, set of all rational numbers. Rational numbers is q is equal to set p by q such that p comma q belongs to z comma q not equal to 0. That is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 and 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. These all numbers are rational numbers. Rational numbers contains natural numbers, whole numbers, integers also. So, q is first addition. Addition is clearly addition is a binary operation on q. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. That implies 7 by 6. 7 by 6 belongs to q. So, sum of any two rational numbers is again a rational number. So, addition is binary operation on q. Next, multiplication. Multiplication is also binary operation on q because product of any two rational numbers is again a rational number. Next, subtraction. Subtraction is also binary operation on q. Q contains negative numbers. Q contains negative numbers. So, for example, 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 3 belongs to q. That implies 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 belongs to q. That implies 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 minus 2 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 6 belongs to q. For example, reverse process 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, that implies 2 minus 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6 belongs to q. So, subtraction is a binary operation on q. Any two elements, any subtraction of two elements is again a rational number. So q subtraction is a binary operation on q. Next, division. Division is not a binary operation on q. For example, 1 comma 2 comma 0, that implies 2 by 0 is not defined, so does not belongs to q. Division is not a binary operation on q. So q only 3 binary operations: addition, multiplication, subtraction. Next set, irrational numbers. Sum of two irrational numbers is not a irrational number. So addition is not a binary operation. Some product of any two irrational numbers is not a irrational number. For example, root 2 comma root 2. That implies root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 2 whole square, that is equal to 2. 2 is a rational, 2 is a integer, 2 is a whole number, 2 is a natural number, does not belongs to q dash. So product is not a binary operation on irrational numbers. Subtraction is not a binary operation on irrational number. Division is not a binary operation irrational number. ఎందుకంటే root 2 by root 2 is equal to 1. 1 does not belongs to q dash. So division is not a binary operation on set of irrational numbers. Next, real numbers. Last set, addition is addition is a binary operation on R. Any sum of two real numbers is again a real number. So addition is a binary operation on R. And multiplication. Multiplication is also binary operation on R. Any sum of product of any two real numbers is again a real number. So multiplication is a binary operation on R. Next, subtraction is a binary operation on R. Next, division is not a binary operation on R. So n contains two operations, namely addition and multiplication. W contains two operation, addition and multiplication. Z contains addition, multiplication, subtraction. Q contains three operations plus addition, multiplication, subtraction. Irrational number, no binary operations. R contains three binary operations: addition, multiplication, subtraction. Okay? Next, the set of all m by n matrices whose elements are natural numbers, or whole numbers, or integers, or rational numbers, or real numbers. The matrix addition of two matrices is a binary operation on natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, etc. etc. Alage product of two matrices is a matrix. So a product is a binary operation on set of all m by n matrices. Next example, vectors. Let us be a set of vectors. Let us be a set of vectors. Let us be a set of vectors. Addition of two vectors is a vector. So addition is a binary operation on this set. Next, product is not a binary operation in this set because product of two vectors is a scalar. Scalar does not belongs to S. S contains only vectors, not scalars. So product is not a binary operation on S. Next, cross product. Product of two vectors. Cross product of two vectors is a vector. So cross product is a binary operation on S. So addition is binary operation on S, and dot is not a binary operation. Not a binary operation on S. Next, cross product is a binary operation on S. S contains set of all vectors. Addition is binary operation on S. Dot is not a binary operation on S. Cross is cross product of two vectors is a vector. So cross is a binary operation on S. Cross is a binary operation on in S. Let S be a non-empty set. Let S be a non-empty set. That is, S is equal to set 1, 2, 3. Then the power set of S. Already yesterday class we discussed about power set of S. Power set of S means set of all, the family consisting of all subsets of S. That is P of S is equal to a set singleton 1, singleton 2, singleton 3, singleton 4, singleton 5, singleton 1, singleton 2, singleton 3, set 1 comma 2, set 2 comma 3, set 3 comma 1, set 1 comma 2 comma 3 and pi. These are all subsets of S. Is containing P of S contains all subsets of S, that is singleton 1, singleton 2, singleton 3, set 1 comma 2, set 2 comma 3, set 3 comma 1, set 1 comma 2 comma 3 pi. Now intersection is a binary operation on P of S. Clearly intersection is a binary operation on P of S. For example, any two sets, take singleton 1 intersection singleton 2 is equal to empty, no common element. Here this set contains singleton 1, this set contains only two elements, so common elements no. Intersection 1 singleton 1 intersection singleton 2 is equal to pi belongs to P of S. Next again any two sets, set 1 comma 2 intersection set 2 comma 3 is equal to singleton 2. Singleton 2 belongs to P of S. So any two sets belongs to P of S. Any intersection of two sets of P of S is again a belongs to P of S. So intersection is a binary composition on P of S. Next, union. Clearly union is a binary composition on P of S. For example, singleton 1 union singleton 2, that is equal to set 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 belongs to P of S. Next again 1 comma 2 set union set 2 comma 3 is equal to set 1 comma 2 comma 3 belongs to P of S. The union of any two sets is a set is belongs to P of S. So union is binary operation on P of S. So intersection comma union are binary operations of power set of S. Next example, let a circle be defined by a circle B is equal to a plus b plus ab. For all a comma b belongs to n. Then circle is a binary operation on n. You check. Now consider. Now a circle B is equal to a plus b plus ab. Alla ichchadu manaku define. Any two elements n, a circle B is equal to a plus b plus ab. Circle is binary operation. Clearly circle is binary operation on n. Now let a comma b belongs to n. That implies a circle B is equal to, we define a plus b plus ab. Here a belongs to n, b belongs to n. Sum of any two natural numbers is again a natural number that belongs to n. This value belongs to n. Next, a comma b belongs to n. Product of any two natural numbers is a natural number. ab belongs to n. Total ga this value belongs to n. This value belongs to n. So sum of two natural numbers is again a natural number. So circle is a binary operation on n. Next, circle is defined by a circle B is equal to a plus b plus 7 for a comma b belongs to n. Circle is not a binary operation on n because, for example 2 comma 3 belongs to n. That implies 2 circle 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 7. that implies 5 minus 7, that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 does not belongs to n. So the circle is not a binary operation on n. The circle is binary operation on n. For example, next example, let circle be a composition on defined a circle B is equal to AB by 3 for a comma B belongs to Q, set of all rational numbers, is a binary operation on Q. Clearly, let a comma B belongs to Q. That implies a circle B is equal to AB by 3. Here a comma B belongs to Q. Q is a set of all rational numbers. A into B, product of two rational numbers. Product of two rational numbers is a rational number. So product is a binary operation on Q. AB belongs to ekkada padutundi Q lo padutundi. Ante AB belongs to Q. AB by 3 belongs to Q. So a circle B belongs to Q for all a comma B belongs to Q. So circle is a binary operation on Q. Next example, circle B defined a circle B is equal to a power B for all a comma B belongs to Q. Circle is not a binary operation. Circle is not a binary operation because for 2 comma 1 by 2 belongs to Q. That implies 2 power 1 by 2. 2 power 1 by 2 means root 2. Root 2 does not belongs to Q. Root 2 does not belongs to Q. So circle is not a binary operation on Q. Root 2 is a irrational number. So root 2 does not belongs to Q. So circle is not a binary operation on Q. Hi students, మనం ఇప్పుడు వరకు చెప్పుకున్నవి మనం ఏదైతే థియరీ అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ ఆల్జీబ్రాకి బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి మనకు అవసరం ఎంతవరకు ఉందో అంతవరకు నేను బ్రీఫ్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పే లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మనకి అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ ఆల్జీబ్రాకి. ఇది బైనరీ కాంపోజిషన్ ఆర్ బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్ ఆన్ ది సెట్. మీకు నీట్కి ఇక్కడ టేబుల్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేసి ఇచ్చాను చూడండి. ఇది ఎప్పుడు మనకి క్లాస్లో థియరీ అయిపోయే వరకు కూడా మనకు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఇది ఇక్కడ మనం 4 ఆపరేషన్స్ ఉపయోగించాం. ఇక్కడ ఎడిషను, మల్టిప్లికేషను, సబ్స్ట్రాక్షను, డివిజను. బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్ అంటే ఏమీ లేదు, సింపుల్గా ఏవైనా టూ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకుంటాం ఈ సెట్స్లో. వాటిని ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఆపరేషన్ ఉపయోగించామో ఆ ఎడిషను లేదా ఆ సబ్ట్రాక్షను, ఆ ప్రొడక్ట్ లేదా ఆ డివిజన్ ఆ సెట్లో ఉందా లేదా, అలా ఆ సెట్లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్కి జరిగి ఉండాలి. అలా జరిగి ఉంటేనే అది బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్, జరగకపోతే నాటే బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్. ఈ బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్ మీదే మనకు ఇప్పుడు థియరీ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పబోయే మనం ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్, అదే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ చెప్పబోయే ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ నుంచి దీని బేస్ నుంచి వెళ్తాం. ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం క్లాసులు జరిగినవన్నీ కూడా ఇది మెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అన్నమాట. ఇది యాక్చువల్గా మనకి ఇప్పుడు సిలబస్లో ఉండదు, దీని మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉండవు, ఏమీ ఉండవు. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పుకున్నాను వీటి మీద. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పబోయే నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ నుంచి ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ మనకి ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం, గ్రూప్స్ అని చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఆ గ్రూప్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి మనం స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలంటే ముందు ఈ బేసిక్ అంతా కావాలి. మీకు ముందు ఫస్ట్ రోజు క్లాస్లో అని చెప్పాను నేను, ఇదంతా మనం నేర్చుకోవాలి జస్ట్ ఒక ఐడియాకి. ఓకే.